up, guys? It is Cole here, and today I'm doing another video. It's been a long time, I know, but it's just I've been busy, like school starting up, and I have sports, and so I got a video to you, and it's about Virginia Tech football. Wow, what a loss! And I saw this news article called Bottom 10. I've seen it before. I've seen all the teams that suck, and Virginia Tech made it this time. Now I'm just going to read to you the article that they sent. Let me just go back. There you go. Hokie, bye. Speaking of angry artificial intelligence, for the game against Duke, Virginia Tech engineering students brought out a robot to do the traditional post-score push-ups. But after a final score of Duke 45, VT 10, a beating so bad landed the Hokies in the coveted number 5 spot that Android still had plenty of battery power left. So after the game, they put it to work cleaning Lane Stadium. Around midnight, it was seen leaving the grandstands covered in popcorn, butter, and tobacco juice and muttering something about this set of Terminator started. An article written by Ryan McGee. Good one. It was a good one. It was accurate, too. That game, though, I went to a restaurant the night that game was being played, and it was the end of the first quarter, and it was 3-0, and I thought, we got this in the bag. We can win. We can just score touchdowns. We got so close scoring touchdowns the first time. So why not? We can do it again. And we would have. I think we would have won if our running back hadn't dropped the football. And if Hendon Hooker hadn't thrown the football not to the running back. Well, it wasn't really Hendon Hooker's fault. It was the running back's fault. But I know football is hard, and you make mistakes. And I thought maybe we could bounce back from it. Duke scored a touchdown after the fumble. 7-3, okay, not that bad. Then it got ugly. Real ugly. And before you know it, it was 31-3. We scored a touchdown. 31-10. Third quarter. Okay, maybe we can come back. 45-10 final score. Oh, man. This might take a while. I'm still optimistic about our season. We just had a bad game, that's all. Now, this game against Miami will really determine how good we are. We might not be that good, though. We're playing at Coral Gables. It's not going to be easy. We only have a 10% chance of winning. But this is why we like college football. We like college football because anything can happen. I mean, the Citadel beat Georgia Tech this year. Why can't we beat Miami? I believe. On Saturday, I'm going to try to watch as much as I can of the Virginia Tech game. Alright, guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is a little video just about college football. And I will see you guys next time.